she's looking one of a kind right now, and I don't think so we have any Ignis like this on the streets running.
बताइए बाबू ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं हमारे कैमरामैन के लिए।
सर ऐसा करते करते हिल जाता है मेरे से।
बाबू इतना हिलाओ मत प्लीज़। अबे फिर से खा रहा है तू, गुटखा खा रहा है क्या? नहीं। Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have the Maruti Ignis with us. This is the first Ignis that we're going to be working on. This is not a regular detail, we're doing a wrap on this car, a custom wrap if you may. So we're using lime green and carbon fiber on various parts of the car to kind of make this Ignis look a lot different from all the other Ignises which are on the road right now. If you look at the paint closely, there are a lot of swirl marks, a lot of scratches. The car is old. So we're not just going to be wrapping the car, but we're also going to be detailing it and then wrapping the car so that the car looks fresh when it pretty much rolls out from here. The car shouldn't look old because the effect is not going to come if we just wrap the car and don't detail it. So we're going to be first doing a full detail and a basic ceramic wax job on the car before we start our wrapping job. So let me take you around the car so you can see the condition of the car right now and when we're done with the car, and I'll also keep taking you through the process of what all we're going to be doing on the car. So anyways, right now as you can see, the condition of the paint isn't the best. The car is really dusty right now, but you can see the amount of swirl marks that are there on the car. They are a lot. The paint clarity is not there at all, which is something we definitely need to work on so that the paint shines. So this is the chrome part that is going to get wrapped. So right now the chrome is obviously chrome, so we're going to be wrapping this with lime green, and all the other chrome accents will also get wrapped with lime green. So the lower lip will get wrapped with lime green and carbon fiber, both is what we're going to be doing. So that would really change the appearance of the front end. So will the wrap on the chrome as well. So on the sides we're going to be wrapping it with carbon fiber on top of the wheel arches, and the running board is going to get done with lime green. As you can see, we have a huge scratch running along both the doors of the car, and as you can see, there is barely any shine left in the paint, which is what we need to get back after we do a full decontamination, and detailing is when we're going to get the shine back into the paint. The rear skid plate is going to get done with lime green and carbon fiber again, following what we're going to be doing in the front. We're also going to try to wrap the logos in lime green. The roof rails are going to get done in a 3D carbon fiber, which is what we're using pretty much throughout the car. So that kind of gives you the 3D carbon fiber kind of finish, which looks really nice. So will it happen on the mirrors as well. The mirrors will also get wrapped in a 3D carbon finish. So overall, this is the work that's got to be executed on the car, and I think these are minor changes, but it would really make a big difference to the car once we put it together. Really excited for the project because this is not just a usual detailing project. This is also a full wrap project, which is always fun, kind of making a car look a little different from the other cars out there, and especially when we do it, it's fun. So yeah, we'll take you and keep you updated through everything that we're doing on this car so you can see the process. Won't make it too lengthy a video, so you also enjoy it. So yes, enjoy and take care. बाबू by the way ने पहले वाले शॉट्स लिए हमारे। बाबू कैमरा इतना हिलाते क्यों होता? बताइए, बाबू ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं हमारे कैमरामैन के लिए।
सर ऐसा करते करते हिल जाता है मेरे से।
बाबू इतना हिलाओ मत प्लीज़। और ये हमारे दो बंदर क्या कर रहे हैं? ये हमारे दो बंदर है। क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? अबे फिर से खा रहा है तू, गुटखा खा रहा है क्या? नहीं। तेरा क्या नाम है? ऐसे से क्या फोटो आ रही है? ये देख, चंदन स्माइल तो कर दे यार कैमरा के लिए। मुकेश स्माइल कर। So what we're going to be right now is to tackle all the hard water marks also that you can see. So we're going to be cleaning out the entire hard water marks on the car and doing a full detail before we get started on the wrap. And as you can see, the alloy wheels finish has completely gone because it's really badly hit with the hard water. Every single nut and every single groove has a lot of hard water in it, and the alloy has completely lost its shine. So what we're going to be doing is to get the alloy wheels also back to life. because unless we do the full car and get the whole car back into a condition that's looking good, so we have to pretty much detail the whole car and get it back to life, and that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to follow the usual steps of detailing, which is decontamination, claying off the car, and polishing it and getting the paint back to life. We're also going to be doing the interior cleaning and polishing so that the car pretty much looks good when it comes out of here. So as you can see, the interior panels are also very dirty, and the car definitely needs interior clean to kind of clean up all the dirt. You can see the discoloration from the white. This is not milky white, but this is I'd say a little faded white that's there. So yes, the car does need interior cleaning. So that's what we're going to be doing here, to kind of clean up the entire interior and get the interior also back to life. I really like this blue shade that they've given here. Looks really, really nice. So we possibly, if we can, we'll also put in some neon here as well, if I feel it looks nice. But yeah, otherwise we're going to be foaming and cleaning out the seats and polishing the entire interior, so that when the car goes out from here, it should feel fresh. Guys, so we're pretty much at the next step now. We're going to be starting the wrapping process. So what we're going to be doing first is the carbon fiber over all the wheel arches, because that's how we wanted it. So we're going to start off with the carbon fiber wrap over the wheel arches. Very difficult to wrap the plastic parts because it doesn't really hold. So that is something we're putting a little more power adhesive and then sticking it onto the plastic parts. So let me take you through that process also. So right now this is what we're starting with, the carbon fiber on the plastic. Earlier you could see the plastic was like this. Now we're sticking on the carbon fiber onto it. So this gives a really different look to the car, and it looks a lot more sportier than it looked earlier, because this is how it looked earlier and this is what it is right now. So guys, we have Yogesh in front of Yogesh, please tell us how you find the entire car, how you think it's executed, and why you went for this theme. What is the inspiration behind going for this whole theme for your car?
Maruti, what Suzuki, we have it in India. They are not as compared to what Ignis or the other cars or all the other variants which are launched in Japan. So the picture that I gave you, like, it was more inspired on the sports edition that they have it in Japan. And when I had my eyes on it, like, Nexa blue, this is my dad's favorite color. And I know, like, we had a lot of discussion that let's go with red, yellow, but I wanted the neon green effect, and I'm more of a neon person. I really like it when it pops out in the sun, and you executed it, like, it's actually looking more sexy than how it was looking in the image, and I'm really happy, especially the color is just popping out, like the way you suggested, like, it is actually going with the entire look, like, and I like the grille. I like how it is looking at this side, and the mirrors, the roof rails, everything, like, she's looking one of a kind right now, and I don't think so we have any Ignis like this on the streets running. So definitely it's going to have, it's good, she's going to get a lot of attention, and so am I. So I'm really glad, I'm really happy with the job. You have done an excellent job, and I would recommend everybody, like, if you want to do something, if you have something in your mind, come to Ankit. He'll definitely put life in your pictures, and it's really good. It's really good. What I like it right now. And wow, like, just look at it, like, seriously, I can just keep looking at her the entire day, and it will still not be enough. The entire Suzuki Sports, these neon lime green, especially the spoiler. I like the spoiler. I like the idea when you came, we'll just keep this edge neon, and then those decals of Ignis Turbo. Okay, we'll switch this with lime green. And wow. It's actually looking good.
So yeah, Yogesh, you're happy with your car?
Definitely. I am really happy the way it's turned out to be. And I just can't wait to show it off in front of my friends, because those people are also excited to see it. So yeah, thank you so much, Ankit.
Thank you guys. तो guys, ऐसे काम को करने के लिए काफ़ी patience भी चाहिए होती है. Yogesh and we were communicating for I think 3 weeks आराम से before we even execute this. 3 हफ्ते तो बस हम decide करते ही भाई हमें करना क्या है, कैसे करना है, कौन से colors. But I think finally we did execute it. Whenever I do a wrapping project, I always try and see how I can kind of match the customer's expectations.
That's very much important.
Until it gets done, I was like, Yogesh should love this. And I kept telling him every step along the way, maybe we could do this, maybe we could do that. And he gave us a free hand in terms of creativity. Ki boss, probably you can try this. So I think that was a good thing.
And you know what, one more thing, like, people just think of executing a product, like, time is the most important factor over here. He took his time, he made sure that everything was executed. And yeah, the final product, as you can see, she's looking sexy as a hurricane, you can see right now. And I'm really happy. Can't wait to take her out.
Thank you. And we had a plan of detailing her and doing her inside out to kind of give a whole fresh feel to the car. So how do you feel? Does the car actually feel fresh also, like completely fresh?
Definitely. It's okay. I got this car last year in 2021, and today it's been like 1.5 years, and I feel like I'm taking her out right now. Like, it's popping out. Like, the entire color, the detailing, the gloss effect. Wow, the car looks fresh new, and not from the outside but also from the inside. He made sure, he promised, and he delivered. I'm just happy about it. Like, really happy.
Thank you guys. I'm going to leave his Instagram handle in the description box below. And for all the people in Pune who have seen him, when you follow him, you'll get to know. So anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. And subscribe kar lo, share kar lo, har baar bolna achhe to kar lo. I'll see you in the next one.